Bite. Yeah! Oh, nice one. Hey guys, welcome to Daylins Funhouse! Welcome to Daylins Funhouse! And today, it's Easter and we got these two Darth Vader baskets. Yeah.
I think those are Yoda baskets.
Yeah, right. And I got my little brother here today. Say hi, Kason. Me and Kason have the same things. So Kason pulled that out. So the first thing we're gonna get is this Avengers symbol surprising. You got Thor. I got Captain America. I got open another. So it's called Ugglys Pet Shop. So Ugly Pet Shop. Ugly Pet Shop. I got two of them. Yeah, look at this one. And I got a yeah, that's scary. So here's my two of them. Okay, so need help? No, I got it. I got one. So here's what all of them look like, and I got these. I got that one, and I got that one, and where are you? And I find it. And Daddy. Let me see. Cool. So the next thing we're gonna open is this Transformers blind bag. So let's open it up and see what we got. So Casey got Filch, which is this guy, and I got Fix-It, which is this guy. So the next thing we're going to open is this. So this is a normal 500 blind bag. So Casey got Gray Hulk, and which is this one, and I got Blue Iron Man, which is this one. Yeah. So what do you want to do, Casey? This one. Model from Tomorrowland. You say I got Miles. You say I got Miles Pet. So this is called a Miles from Tomorrowland blind bag. And I got Merc. And Merc is right there. See? Look. And you got Rain. The next thing we're going to open is this one. Get Thomas. It's white. Here's Tommy. Oh, Thomas. Here's Tommy. Not Tommy. Not Tommy. It's Thomas. I got Gordon, and Casey got Cindy. And Casey, want to see something awesome? I can show you something awesome. And guys, see this and see that? So the next thing we got is a Lego blind bag. Mine Legos. So we got, I think I got a space guy. Wait, did I say I got a space guy? So I got the hurt guy that this came from the hospital, and Kason got shotgun. I'm going to hear you. Yeah. So what do you want to get, Kason? This is Star Wars hangers. So it says there's 12 to collect, and let's see which one we got. So I got CP3O. I love this guy. I watched a Star Wars movie, and he got cookies for him, and none of them took the cookies. But if I was in Star Wars, I would take the cookies. I'll take all of them. So Kason got Darth Vader. So the next thing we're gonna open is this Micro Machine blind bag. So me and Kason got the same exact thing. That's weird. So the next thing we're gonna open is what's Kason's gonna get? What do you wanna get, Kason? This. Okay. So these are Star Wars erasers. So let's see what we got. whoa. Oh, we got Chewy and we got our new This is our last one. I got Spider-Man. I'm Spider-Man. And what'd you get? Yeah, Hawkeye. These are stickers. These are Marvel hangers and I got Spider-Man.
Hey, stickers.
One more thing, guys. This. Put on your head. This is real fun. Okay, so scary. Alright guys, this is all we have for today on Daylins Funhouse. Bye guys! I'll see you in the comments and see what you said. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Yeah!